Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to customize your Shopify store's footer. That's the section at the bottom of every page on your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to give your store a polished, professional look and make the footer work for your brand, whether you want a cleaner layout, more color, or extra space for your shop's information. Let's get started right away. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Shopify admin page. This is basically the control center for your entire store, where you manage products, orders, and of course, tweak your website itself. Just log in as you usually would, and you'll land right there. If you're new to Shopify, you might need a moment to get comfortable navigating the dashboard, but don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Once you're in your admin area, look for the section called Online Store. You'll find this on the left-hand sidebar. It's usually right beneath where you manage orders and products. Clicking Online Store will open up more options, and this is really where you start changing the look and feel of your shop. Next, you're going to select Themes. Think of your theme as the blueprint or skin for your store. It controls the layout, colors, and overall vibe. In the Themes section, you'll see your current theme at the top. This is what your customers actually see when they visit your store. There's a button next to it called Customize. Go ahead and click that. Now you're in the theme editor, which is super powerful for making real-time changes to your storefront. The layout here might look a bit different depending on your theme, but generally, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with various sections like header, homepage, and of course, footer. If you haven't used the customizer before, just take a breath and look for footer in that panel. It's usually close to the bottom of the list because, well, the footer sits at the bottom of your website. Clicking on Footer will bring up all the settings and tuning options specific to that section. This is where you can really start to personalize. You'll see choices for adjusting the width, so you can decide if your footer should stretch across the whole page for a bold, modern look, or keep it contained in the same width as your content for something a little more classic and tidy. If you're unsure which suits your brand, think about the overall style you're going for. A wider footer can make things feel more spacious, while a narrow one often looks more organized. Beyond width, there's gap. This controls the space between different items or blocks in your footer, like your navigation, contact info, or social icons. Increasing the gap can make things less cluttered and easier for visitors to read, which is especially great if you have lots of details down there. But if you prefer everything close together for a compact, minimalist vibe, you can shrink those gaps down. You'll also see options to change the color scheme. This is so important for reinforcing your brand identity. Whether you want your footer to stand out with a pop of color or blend in with a subtle shade, you can experiment here. Maybe you want a dark footer with white text for contrast, or a lighter background to match your overall store aesthetic. As you make adjustments, you'll see a preview updating in real time. So feel free to try different combos until something feels just right. There are paddings too, which control the amount of space inside the footer, above and below your content, kind of like the margins in a book. Adding more padding can make your footer look more open and prevent anything from feeling squished. On the flip side, reducing padding keeps everything compact. Take your time here. Play with these settings and check how your changes affect both desktop and mobile views, so everything looks great no matter where customers are shopping. And remember, if something doesn't look right, you can always reset or try a different combination. Customizing your footer might seem like a small thing, but it's one of the finishing touches that makes your store feel truly yours. Alright, that's it for today. I hope this helped you feel confident about making your Shopify store footer look amazing. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Shopify tips just like this. Drop your questions or comments below. I love hearing from you, and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.